A simple app to keep you on track. UReview is a cloud-based performance management system for employee appraisals, employee engagement surveys, and client surveys. You can choose your target audience and ask them to evaluate their performance, your workplace, your product or service. All your information entered into UReview can be archived for review and comparison at a later date. We help you simplify your HR data and add value to your business in 3 ways. 1. Performance appraisals. 2. Employee engagement surveys. 3. Client surveys. A UReview performance appraisal is an interactive tool that helps you set the bar for performance in your organisation. You can set, monitor and compare performance objectives for individuals, teams and the company as a whole. Our performance appraisals deliver the important information required to succeed. It will identify strengths, weaknesses and where training may be required. UReview performance appraisals form a two-way communication between the employer and individual staff members to ensure a complete performance review. Your staff will become more engaged with their actual performance and goals, and you can monitor company-wide performance to increase your overall success. Your employees are invited to assess themselves. Their managers then assess the employee's performance, followed by a face-to-face meeting to set future goals. Results are displayed in a graph, and data can be downloaded for analysis. Employee surveys. The UReview employee engagement surveys are personalised to focus on the areas most important to you. Surveys are anonymous and encourage staff to express their satisfaction and concerns. The valuable information you receive promotes a positive culture and identifies potential workplace issues so you can address these in a timely fashion. You'll see your internal relationships flourish, resulting in a lower staff turnover and a boost in productivity. The Client Survey Add-on. Our client surveys help you to stay connected with your clients and allows you to monitor where your business can be improved, therefore increasing the likelihood of repeat business. Where you need it, when you want it. You can access the UReview website from your computer or the app from your tablet or smartphone. UReview is transferable across many industries and has the flexibility to completely customize your appraisals and surveys so you get the absolute best out of your UReview experience.